Salesflare is a powerful tool for optimizing your outbound sales process, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage it for maximum impact. Whether you're just starting out with Salesflare or you're looking to take your sales game to the next level, stick with me until the end because I'll also share how you can access an exclusive, extended free trial to get started at no cost. Let's dive in. Salesflare is designed to automate and streamline your sales workflow. It's especially powerful for outbound sales because it helps you track prospects and manage outreach in a way that saves time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If you're struggling with organizing and following up on leads manually, this tool can completely transform your sales process. First, let's talk about the CRM. Salesflare's CRM is incredibly intuitive, giving you an overview of your leads and opportunities. When you're optimizing for outbound sales, you need to know who you're reaching out to, what stage they're at in your pipeline, and what the next action is. Salesflare automatically pulls in data from emails, calendars, and social media profiles to create a comprehensive profile for each lead. This means no more switching between tabs or manually entering contact details. It's all done for you. Now, the key to optimizing Salesflare for outbound sales is automation. Instead of manually logging calls or sending emails one by one, Salesflare automates repetitive tasks. You can set up workflows for follow-ups, reminders, and even send personalized email sequences to prospects. These automations will help you stay on top of your outreach and ensure you're consistently following up with leads without needing to remember every detail. Speaking of email sequences, Salesflare's email integration is one of its most powerful features for outbound sales. You can set up drip campaigns, track open rates, and see if your emails are being clicked. But what really sets it apart is its ability to personalize these sequences based on the data it collects. For example, if a lead opens an email but doesn't reply, Salesflare can automatically schedule a follow-up email based on that behavior without you needing to lift a finger. Another feature that's crucial for outbound sales optimization is the ability to segment your leads. Salesflare allows you to tag leads based on various criteria, whether that's industry, location, or any custom tags you want to create. You can create specific lists of prospects to target based on these segments and personalize your outreach accordingly. This level of granularity helps you craft targeted messages, which will increase the chances of a successful conversion. Let's also touch on the integration capabilities. Salesflare integrates with a wide range of tools, including email platforms, calendar systems, and even other CRMs. This means if you're already using another tool for something specific in your outbound process, you can easily sync it with Salesflare to keep everything in one place. This reduces the need for jumping between systems and allows for seamless communication across your sales team. To really optimize Salesflare for outbound sales, it's essential to use the reporting and analytics features. Salesflare's dashboards give you a real-time overview of your sales activity, letting you see how your campaigns are performing. You can track which emails are getting opened, which leads are engaging with your content, and where prospects are dropping off in the sales funnel. These insights allow you to refine your approach continuously. By now, you should see how Salesflare can truly revolutionize your outbound sales process. But here's the best part. If you're ready to get started, you can access Salesflare for free by using the first link in the description below. And as a bonus, we've arranged for an exclusive extended free trial, so you can dive deeper into all of its features without any commitment. Don't let another lead slip through the cracks. Take control of your outbound sales with Salesflare and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to claim your free extended trial is right below this video.